Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening the last quarter century Stampede box for Yu-Gi-Oh! As promised. The one that I saved until we were done with Alliance Inside, which we are. Pretty good video, by the way, the last one. Technically the box. So without further ado, let's get rarities wrong, because that's what we do here. And we start with a Platinum Secret Rare Dark Magician Girl, a Terraforming, and that's it here. It's such a weird set, ignoring regular rarities. Another Platinum Secret Rare, Utopic Onomatopoeia, and an Ultimate Rare, Lunalight Leo Dancer, and another Prismatic Secret Rare, Platinum Secret Rare, Prismatic Rare Collector. Yes. Don't do that, Simon. An Absolute King back check, and that's it here. On to the next one. With a Maxi. Everybody knows Maxi. And the Platinum Secret Rare treatment. A Hero Lives. And that's it. And the next one, we have a Lunalight Perfume. Ultimate Rare, number 101, Silent Honor Arc, Platinum Secret Rare, a regular Secret Rare, Mayamel Abyssland, and that's it here. So after this, I still have one more box lying around of something else, which I don't remember what it is. It's a Ghost and Match, Platinum Secret Rare, a Zodiac Brush, regular Secret Rare, and that's it here. Don't remember what it is, which means it has been acquired a while ago and might be newer, but not that new. A quarter century Secret Rare, Blue Eyes White Dragon. We will take that. And a Secret Rare Gaga Magician. On to the next one we go. With an Amphibious Swarm Ship Amblo Whale in Platinum Secret Rare, because it's very shiny. A Hero Lives in Prismatic Collector Rare with the prisms, and a quarter century Secret Rare Spiral Resort, and that's it here. Also, I always have lots of fun finding out the value of the various different rarities of the set. We have a Platinum Secret Rare Sir Melee Branch of the Burning Abyss. I like the foiling because it looks similar to something we have in Magic called Search Foils. A regular Secret Rare Triton Nova, and that's it here. On to the next one, where we have an Purely Noir in Ultimate Rare. Really love the shine on this one. We have a Double or Nothing Platinum Secret Rare and a regular Secret Rare Meteonis Drytron. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. I can see shinies. It's a Dark Magician and Platinum Secret Rare. and a regular secret rare amphibious swarm ship Emblowale, and a Malchami Fualos in ultra rare, which I haven't checked, but should be still worth a little bit, maybe. You will know, and I will know when I upload this video too. We have a collector rare, Cyber Dragon Core, and a Platinum Secret Rare Halfway to Forever, a Crystal Clearwing Synchro Dragon, regular Secret Rare, and then we move on to a Wind-Up Carrier Zenmaiti, Platinum Secret Rare, a Hita, the Fire Charmer, a Blaze in regular Secret Rare, and that's it here. On to the next one with a Supreme King Set Arc and Platinum Secret Rare, and a Miscellaneousaurus in Secret Rare. And last one off the right side. With a Gagaga Cowboy and Platinum Secret Rare, a Zodiac Barrage in Ultimate Rare, and a Mammal Abyss Megalo in Platinum Secret Rare. On to the next one. And I can already see something. It's an El Shadow Winder in Collector Rare. Link into the Rains, Platinum Secret Rare, and a Lunar Light Tiger for our regular Secret Rare here. On to the next one. With a Metamorphosis in Platinum Secret Rare, a Destructive Daruma Karma Cannon in Secret Rare, and on to the next one we go. No time wasted, efficiency is our name. Maybe, maybe not. A Raid Raptor for Strix in Platinum Secret Rare, and an Apprentice Illusion Magician in Secret Rare is what we have in the next ones. On to the next one we go. With a Orbital 7 Platinum Secret Rare, an Atlantean Marksman in Secret Rare, and that's it here. On to the next one. With a lovely Ash Blossom and Choice Spring in Platinum Secret Rare, everybody's favorite hand trap, a Madolchi Hood Cake, also in Platinum Secret Rare, and that's it here. On to the next one we go, with a No Punk Amen. I definitely butchered that. I don't care. In Platinum Secret Rare, a Lunar Light Perfume in Secret Rare, and that's it here. On to the next one. And I just counted. Oh, a Needleworm. That's an old one. Still a cool one. In Platinum Secret Rare, number 11 Big Eye in regular Secret Rare, and that's it here. And I counted because we're down to the last 3 packs. So, does need to be very good. Then we are very happy. We have a Wind Witch, Ice Spell, and Platinum Secret Rare. A secret password. Don't use 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a good password. And that's it here. Second to last pack. have a Metal Jonas in 4th century secret rare. Did not see a lot of those. We have a Dark Magician Girl in Platinum secret rare. And we're down to a last pack. Another QSR, maybe? Let's see. We have a Breakthrough Skill, Platinum secret rare. And a Life Twin Lila in secret rare. And that's it here. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you in the next one.